Hi, I'm Sean Bisayone, industry trainer and consultant. I'm here today to talk to you about why the DryMaster 3 tool is my personal pick of a favorite upholstery tool, some of the features and benefits that I found about the usefulness of this tool and its quality, and why we use it in our company as a regular choice for cleaning upholstery. This is the tool, the DryMaster 3. It's been changed over the years, but the current design of it has made it most desirable, useful, and helpful. It's a great tool for doing your area rug cleaning and fine fabric, especially when it comes to dealing with wool fibers. HydroMaster's done a fantastic job by having products that are specifically made to help you align and safely clean those fabrics when you come across them. WoolMaster, going as your pre-spray, and Rinse Out as your rinsing solution are premium choice products for you to be able to use when you've got a delicate cleaning situation for your area, rugs, and fine fabrics. HydroMaster's done a great job on this, making it comfortable, useful for lots of different surfaces that you're cleaning, ranging from your standard just sectional upholstery all the way through your lazy boy and little recliners, and even into the industrial, kind of more of the commercial fabrics as you'd see in theaters or restaurants. So really one of our top tools and top picks of our cleaning choices. The key reason that we really enjoy this tool is it relieves the fear of the customer, and particularly the contractor, cleaning of over-wetting their fabric. This tool does not allow the water to spray out of the tool's head when you're cleaning. It will simply shear the water across the surface. So the choice of cleaning products and cleaning tools is often the concern of the cleaner. We found between the high quality products that HydroMaster has produced with their upholstery line, being able to give us some really obvious decisions of whether it's a fine fabric or a heavy duty durable fabric. It gives us the choices to make decisions that are easy to make based on the type of fabric we're cleaning.